you are. What good boys. Oh. Maybe not.
Hoda!
Round and round. I can't get over it. I think she's trying to figure out, how do I get in there at her? But do I really want to?
And mittens is take.
Shall we go sit down somewhere? Hungry. You already ate. Sammy.
Today's show, I just have to tell you. Now, here's a question. Parents, do you
Whoops.
realize that talking to your kids about...